Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Project Hive token. Ticker symbol is HGT. This token is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting tomorrow on a very big central exchange. We're going to go over the information on the Project Hive token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. Let's get into this token here. So, the Project Hive game is a Solana-based competitive play and earn tactical game, providing players with AAA quality visual gaming experience in a vast cyberpunk world. HGT is the native token of the game and will be used inside the game for in-game purchases. Now, like I said, this token is on the Solana blockchain. Right now they have 1,118 holders. You can find this token listed on CoinGecko. The name of the token is Hive Game Token. And market cap right now is a little bit over $84.83 million. Token price is around 1.7 cents right now. And current supply of the token is 4,979,994,747 tokens. 9 decimal places on this token. And this token is getting a brand new central exchange listing on a very big central exchange. Starting tomorrow, March 1st, at 13 hours UTC time, this token will be listed on Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search the ticker symbol HGT, and then simply just buy the token. So it says it is completely free to play. We say no to forced users conversions into Web3, paid game breaking advantages, and paywalls. Any player from any country or region can play the game absolutely free of charge. No boundaries for the Hive. Stunning visual graphics on the Unreal Engine 5. All assets have been created from scratch with the power of the most advanced game engine, with the love and hard work of more than 30 designers, modelers, developers, animators, VFX artists, and others. So this is a turn-based competitive tactic game, a game of skill, not chance. Deep tactic based on tabletop games mechanics benefits preparations, planning, and patience. Will you be able to outsmart your enemies by building the perfect deck or just use the best protocol synergies during the fight? There are many ways to win. Web 2 smooth and natural conversion into Web 3. It is not our intention to compel our players to adopt Web 3 technology. Rather, we aim to create a desire to do so through the implementation of price discrimination between in-app fiat prices and web shop prices in HGT. We strive to make this transition smooth and effortless for our players. So the game will definitely have the best graphics and gameplay on the market. It will be created by talented and famous developers. No barriers to entry for Web 2 players, an organic bridge to Web 3. The game that will be played not for the sake of earning, but for the sake of fun, and earnings will just be a nice addition. So the Solana-based competitive play and earn tactical game, providing players with AAA quality visual gaming experience in the vast cyberpunk world. Now, it'll be created by strong professionals in the industry, a unity of expertise, web applications, marketplaces, and game building makes a powerful synergy for a solid product. Team comes from such companies as Disney, Ubisoft, Netflix, and Nintendo, bridging the gap between traditional and crypto games by creating high-quality products developed to $200+ billion market of traditional games where players have access to features from their PC, browser, mobile, no matter what their financial status is, both in crypto and fiat. So on their webpage, they do, if you go to project-hive.io, you can go to their document section, and that'll take you to project-hive.io/docs/lightpaper.pdf, and you will see that some of their team members are doxed with their faces, full names, job titles, and companies that they have worked for in the past. So gameplay in Hive is divided into 4 main modes. Number 1 is training fights. Test your skills in fights against AI opponents of different difficulties in class. Polish and build your tactics to prepare for real player battles. Then there's player matches. Got a couple extra minutes? Connect to Hive and challenge other players to get rewards for daily quests. And just for fun, results in such fights won't affect the season ranking. Also ranked leagues. So ranked arena seasons lasting 1 month is the main content of the upcoming game. You can challenge other players in turn-based tactical fights and grow in ranks and reach the legendary league to get the best in-game rewards, including in-game currencies, cosmetic items, new skills, classes, and more. You can earn HGT currencies from 1v1 player fights based on win-to-earn mechanics, and that is in the battle arena. So those are the 4 different ways. Now, the token here, it is a deflationary token. It says supply constantly decreases and demand constantly grows. And they have, they should have it on here. They should have allocation on here somewhere. Yeah, so you can stake this token, it says, as well, coming in the future. And you'll be able to do that. And yeah, I don't see allocation on here anywhere, but they have a contact email if you need to contact somebody. And then they have the Telegram. I guess this could be the CEO or something at ICE COS. So it's like a contact Telegram there, or you could contact them at ice@project-hive.io for their email address. And you can find this token newly listed on Mexc Global as of tomorrow, March 1st. So check out all the referral codes down there in the description box, especially that Mexc Global one. Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.